Just want connection, not just content. And that's reason number three why building your own community in 2026 and beyond is no longer optional. It's becoming the foundation of modern business. My name is Dan Bellin, and I'm building this community journey right alongside you in real time. And from my own experience, I can tell you this honestly. People are not looking for more information. They are drowning in information. What people actually want is connection. They want belonging. They want to feel like they're part of something bigger than themselves. People do not buy because of a feature list. They do not buy because you posted a couple of videos on social media. And they definitely do not buy because you try to sound perfect online. People buy because they trust you. People buy because they feel understood. People buy because you created an environment where they feel connected, not only to you, but also to other people who are on the same journey. That's what community gives you. It gives you something social media alone can never fully give you. A real environment where trust grows naturally, deeply, and consistently over time. When you build your own community, you create a place where people feel heard. You create a place where people feel supported. You create a place where people are having real conversations instead of just silently consuming content alone on a screen. And because you're inside that environment with them, answering questions, serving people, showing up consistently, and genuinely caring about them, you naturally become a trusted leader. Not because you forced it, not because you try to convince anybody, but because people see your heart. They see your consistency. They see your values. They see your leadership over time. And that's what builds trust. A lot of people think they need better content to grow their business, but honestly, what most people really need is better connection. You can post 100 TikToks and still feel invisible. You can send emails every day and still feel disconnected from your audience. But the moment you bring people into a real community, into an intentional environment built around connection, love, trust, service, everything changes. Inside a community, people slow down, they pay attention, they interact, they connect with each other, and they connect with you in a way social media platforms were never really designed for. Now, that doesn't mean content isn't important. You still need content. You still need visibility. You still need to grow your email list. But everything should ultimately lead people back to your community because that's where relationships are built. That's where trust grows. And that's where followers eventually become customers, success stories, and long term supporters. Your community becomes the place where you can genuinely ask people questions like, what are you struggling with right now? What are you trying to build? What's stopping you? How can I help you more? And because people are engaged and connected, they'll actually tell you. They'll show up, they'll show you, and they'll show up exactly the way they need to, and they'll ask you exactly what they need help with. And then you simply create solutions around the problems people are already sharing with you. That's how you build income with integrity. That's how you build income by actually helping people. That's how you create products, offers, and services that genuinely change lives because they're built around real human needs, not guessing. And something I've learned through this entire journey is this: connection creates clarity. When you truly understand your people because you're hearing directly from them every single day, your messaging becomes easier, your content becomes clearer, your offers become more obvious, and your business grows faster because everything is aligned around the real problems your audience actually wants solved. You actually know the problems that your audience, your leads actually need solved. Okay? This is how you build a business with loyal supporters instead of random followers who disappear tomorrow. I'm talking about people who stay close, people who trust you, people who grow with you, people who genuinely want to support your mission because they feel connected to it. And honestly, that's one of the biggest reasons I decided to build a community. I didn't want to become just another voice shouting into an endless social media feed. I didn't want to spend my life trying to please algorithms. I wanted real human connection. I wanted to create a place where people felt seen, heard, valued, and supported. I wanted to be able to ask people directly, how can I serve you better? And community allows you to do that in a way social media alone never can. And because I made that shift from chasing attention to building connection, everything started to change for me. My clarity grew, my confidence grew, my relationships grew, my community grew, my income grew, all because I focused on serving people inside an environment built around trust and connection instead of hype and pressure. And here's something I truly believe: connection equals currency. The stronger your connection with people, the stronger your business becomes. Because when people feel connected to you, they stay. When they stay, they grow. When they grow, they buy. And when they buy, they continue supporting you because they know you genuinely care about them and can actually solve their problems. That's how you build a business that lasts. That's how you build something meaningful. That's how you build something you can actually be proud of. So in 2026, build a community. Start now. Start simple. Ask questions. Listen to people. Serve people. Show up consistently. Show up with intention. Show up with heart. Be yourself. Don't try to impress people. Connect with them. Don't try to be perfect. Just be present. Don't try to be a guru, be a guide, be a friend, be a mentor. Be somebody who genuinely cares, because people are not looking for more content. They're looking for somebody they can trust with their transformation. They're looking for somebody who actually cares about them. Be that person, build that community, and watch what happens to your business, your relationships, your income, and your life moving forward. You got this. Let's go. Start that community now.